Few home features make a statement quite like a picture window. With expansive glass and unobstructed views, picture windows create bright, open interiors that feel connected to the outdoors. However, many homeowners worry that larger windows might compromise indoor comfort. The good news is that modern picture windows are designed to deliver both beauty and performance. For homeowners in Austin, picture windows offer a way to enjoy stunning views and natural light without sacrificing energy efficiency or temperature control. Expansive views, clean design picture windows are fixed windows that do not open. Their simple design eliminates visual interruptions like rails or cranks, allowing for a clear, panoramic view. In Austin homes, picture windows are often installed in living rooms, dining areas, or spaces overlooking yards or scenic surroundings. Their wide glass surface creates a dramatic focal point while bringing the outdoors inside. Maximizing natural light has a powerful effect on how a home feels. It brightens interiors, makes rooms appear larger, and enhances decor. Picture windows allow Austin homeowners to enjoy abundant daylight without dividing the view into smaller sections. The result is a more open, airy atmosphere that enhances everyday living. Advanced glass for temperature control. One of the biggest concerns about large windows is heat transfer. Without proper construction, excess sunlight can warm interior spaces. Modern picture windows in Austin are built with advanced glass technology designed to manage heat gain. Specialized coatings and multi-pane construction help limit excessive warmth while still allowing light to enter. Tight sealing for energy performance. Because picture windows do not open, they form a continuous, airtight seal when installed properly. In Austin residences, this fixed design reduces the risk of air leakage. Fewer moving parts mean fewer opportunities for drafts, helping maintain stable indoor temperatures year-round. Enjoying views without discomfort. Large windows should not create hot spots near seating areas or temperature imbalances. High-performance picture windows in Austin homes are engineered to maintain comfort even during sunny afternoons. This allows homeowners to place furniture near the window without worrying about heat buildup. Supporting efficient indoor systems. When windows are properly insulated, indoor systems operate more efficiently. Picture windows that limit heat transfer reduce unnecessary strain on heating and cooling equipment. For Austin homeowners, this contributes to smoother performance and improved indoor comfort. Reducing outdoor noise beyond temperature control. Modern picture windows also help minimize outside noise. Multi-pane construction and tight seals in Austin homes create a barrier that reduces sound transmission. This adds another layer of comfort while maintaining expansive views. Enhancing curb appeal. Picture windows not only transform interiors, they also enhance exterior appearance. In Austin neighborhoods, homes with large picture windows often stand out for their clean lines and contemporary appeal. The added architectural presence strengthens curb appeal and overall property value. Long-term durability. Comfort and performance depend on quality materials. Modern picture windows are built with durable frames and advanced glazing that maintain performance over time. Austin homeowners can enjoy lasting beauty and reliability. A balance of beauty and comfort. Picture windows prove that you don't have to choose between stunning views and indoor comfort. For homeowners in Austin, these windows provide the best of both worlds: bright, open interiors paired with dependable energy performance. With advanced glass technology, airtight sealing, and thoughtful installation, picture windows enhance scenic views while maintaining a comfortable living environment. It's a design choice that delivers visual impact and practical benefits all in one elegant solution.